Children, let us talk about the noise pollution. So what do you think? What is noise pollution? Any unpleasant sound. Any unpleasant sound, whether it is coming from any source. It can be DJ, it can be any sound which is coming out of the loudspeaker, any sound which is coming due to the bursting of firecrackers. Ultimately, it irritates us. That is known as the noise pollution. You have seen you have seen children or the people who are doing like this. That means the sound is irritating them. So that is the noise pollution, you can say. This noise pollution harms us as well as the animals. Have you been to any jungle? If you have been to jungle, you have been always asked to keep silent over there because the sound always disturbs the animals. So this is how we as well as the animals get harmed by the sound, right? So now let us discuss some points about the noise pollution. Noise is harmful for all living beings, whether it is us or whether it is animals. Then it causes stress, irritation, headaches, and sometimes it creates a ear loss. People lost their hearing, right? So that is what happens due to the noise pollution. Now, children, the intensity of hearing the noise is measured in decibels. जैसे आप कोई लाइन को ड्रॉ करके उसको मेजर करते तो मीटर सेंटीमीटर्स में करते हैं, ऐसे ही जब साउंड की कोई वाइब्रेशन निकलती है सो दैट वी मेजर इन डेसिबल्स. अप टू 20 डेसिबल it is a pleasant sound, right? We can hear up to the 20 decibels, but above 90 decibels that creates the sound pollution, right? Or the noise pollution, you can say. Children, now let us discuss some of the causes of noise pollution. First is car and bus horns. Sometimes you have seen people honking and the loud sound coming out of this car and the bus creates lot of noise, and that is the example of noise pollution. Then loudspeaker and loud music. Some people enjoy loud music, but to a certain extent they can enjoy. After some time they feel irritated and lot of headache happens because of the loud music. Then home appliances such as vacuum cleaners, washing machines, air conditioners and mixer grinders, that also sometimes creates lot of noise. Even the coolers, water coolers, right? Then firecrackers. Yes, children, firecracker is the major thing. You can see when they burst and the loud sound comes out of them, that is the major cause of the noise pollution. This is how we are damaging our environment. You have seen the pollution by air, pollution by water, you have seen the noise pollution, you have seen the land pollution, right? So these all air pollution, water pollution, now noise pollution, that all affects our environment, children. So we have to be very, very aware about it. And then what we should do? We should take a pledge, or we should try to reduce all these pollutions so that we can make our world healthier and we can live in the peaceful world in a better way. Thank you and have a nice day. Dear students, in the same chapter, chapter number 10, environmental pollution, now we are going to talk about the noise pollution. So let us see what is a noise pollution. So excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called the noise or sound pollution. कोई भी excessive जो sound होती है, whether it can be of aeroplane, it can be of ambulance, it can be of music, it can be of loudspeaker, anything which irritates our ears, that is a noise or the sound pollution. Noise is harmful for all living beings, and we all know this, that it is very harmful for everyone because it can cause hearing loss. It causes stress, irritation, and can also lead to loss of hearing. So this is what, and because when you keep on uh, be there in the sound, then after some time you feel like headache and your head gets very burdened. So this is what the stress and the irritation that you feel because of the sound. So you need, at that time you need some peace. So this is how it affects us. Then the intensity of sound can be measured in decibel. So decibel is the intensity, is the you can say the unit in which the sound can be measured. Like आप वो करते हैं ना, लाइन ड्रॉ करके उसको मेजर करते हैं. So that you measure in meter or centimeter, but sound can be measured in decibels. Then softest sound जो होती है, that is up to 20 decibels. So if you are listening to the sound which is up to 20 decibels, that is the softest sound. But if you will go beyond that, after, if you will talk about the 90 decibel is, or more than the 90 decibel is very harmful for our ears. Sorry. Then causes of noise pollution, car and bus horns, people used to honk like anything. So that is where the noise pollution is taking a role, a very great role, right? When you go on a road, and especially in the cities like Delhi and some and the metropolitan cities, you will see that people keep on honking, and that creates a lot of noise pollution, and because of that the people get irritated. Then loudspeakers and loud music. So if there is a loudspeaker, for a while or for 1 hour or so you can feel comfortable, but after that you feel very uncomfortable over there. Loud music also plays the same role. Rock, rap, this and that, these all loud music create lot of problems to us. Then home appliances like vacuum cleaners, washing machines, ACs, etc. These all things also make a lot of noise, which are very harmful for our environment as well as for us. Then firecrackers, you have been always told that you should not burn crackers because it causes air pollution as well as the noise pollution, which irritates the environment, which irritates the living organisms in the environment. So we have to be very careful about it, right? Then thank you and have a nice day. I hope you like the presentation.
Hey, Mr. Scientist, is it true? I heard someone say our sky was once blue. I just see a dull gray when I look up at the sky. Hey, Mr. Scientist, tell me why. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Oh, Mr. Scientist, it is really sad. We're responsible for why our air is so bad. The smoke from our factories and our cars is filling the air with chemicals that harm. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Oh, Mr. Scientist, my heart wants to cry. I want back the clean air and the blue sky. Do something to help clean the air we breathe. Oh, Mr. Scientist, please, please, please. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Stop pollution from filling up the sky. Hey, little one, don't you cry. The scientists are working day and night factories and cars.